Welcome to Donnell Ford Lincoln of Salem, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles from our inventory. It comes equipped with heated front seats, electronic stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, parking sensors, rear view camera, Sirius XM satellite radio, keyless entry, alloy wheels, steering wheel controls, and has less than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Here at Donnell Ford Lincoln, we strive to provide the best car buying experience for all of our customers. Our low-pressure staff and master certified sales consultants are here to make sure that you drive home in a vehicle that is just right for you. Come discover the Donnell difference. You'll be glad you did. Donnell Ford Lincoln of Salem is located at 152 Continental Drive in Salem.